Hi everyone and welcome back. Where do you store your gaming headset while not gaming? Usually in a headset stand. Let's have a look at this Corsair ST100 headset stand with RGB, of course. The stand is almost 4 years old, but still today it does the job perfectly fine. The material is aluminium, the assembling is done pretty well, I have to say, and it gives a premium feel. It has two pass-through USB 3.0 ports and a combo audio jack of 3.5mm, so you can eventually connect a wired headset with a mic. And it has RGB, of course. We'll get there in a minute. It's pretty heavy, in fact the overall weight is about half a kilo more or less, and whatever headset you will put on this thing won't move at all. Alright guys, before going ahead with the setup and installation, I would appreciate if you hit that like button in case you enjoyed this video, subscribe to the channel and turn on the notifications. It will help grow the channel and allow me to bring more content like this. Thank you so much. Now, moving on with installation. Inside the box, you will find the stand, one USB 3.0 cable and the manual. I would have preferred also an audio jack, but there is not. The installation is straightforward. The only thing you have to do is connect the USB cable to the stand and to the PC. Windows will install it and kind of see it as the stand as a headset, because the stand has a sound card included and support the Dolby Atmos too, in case you want to connect your headset with a cable. Doing so, you will have support for Dolby Atmos, in fact, which I highly recommend it. Not only that, but you can also connect an audio combo cable, so you can use eventually also the mic that is included with your headset. Now, if you want to manage other different settings and have complete control, then you might need to download and use the software iCue. Considering that the stand has 9 different RGB zones, you can change and customize them here. Here also there is the equalizer too, with some presets that you can use depending on which scenario you are using the stand. The pure direct preset is the one with all the defaults, so you can start from there. There is also the FPS preset and the bass boost. I found out the FPS preset to be something where to start from if you want to connect the headsets or speakers and using shooters or similar. Probably you might need to adjust some equalizer sliders to find what's best for you. Now you can use the stereo output or the 7.1 surround sound, depending on what you're going to connect to the output jack. This might have a difference or not. Keep in mind that if you enable Dolby Atmos in Windows settings, this option won't be available here. Then in this section here you can choose how much volume you want for your mic or mute it. Here there is no sight on function and has to be controlled by your headset if there is any. You can go more deep in customizations and add on equalizer preset and start from scratch and find out the best sound for your device and yourself. Then in the last menu you can, as usually, check for updates, set the brightness of the RGB lights and increase the mic boost, which I recommend leaving at 0 or plus 3 dB at maximum, unless you have some issues with the mic on your headset. I've noticed that if you increase more than 3 dB, it might happen that in certain cases the voice might be kind of distorted. And here we have the voice prompt function that will allow us to listen into prompts if the mic is on or off and connected or disconnected. That's all for this short review of the ST100 from Corsair. This stand is well done with premium material. It has two USB 3.0 USB pass-through ports that you can use to connect or charge other devices. The sound card included does the job well. It supports Dolby Atmos and surround sound 7.1 if you need it. And if you want some RGB, which I have to say are bright enough, you get it too. A couple of things that I didn't like or that are missing. The wireless charging isn't there. They could have moved the USB port on the top to one side and implemented the wireless on the surface, which could have been a nice touch. The two visible screws that I believe are there from maintenance or repair, but to me, allow me this term, are kind of disturbing the overall design. I think they might have moved under for a clean design. And the sound card is okay, but considering the overall premium of the stand, I think that might have added some other features. Now, this stand has its age, and maybe Corsair with the next revisited release of this stand might add or correct some of this little thing missing. Other than that, the stand is doing the job efficiently. The price tag is $69.99, but you can find it often for less. I can recommend it if you need something with high quality, with premium material, with some RGB, and if you are going to use it with iCue, of course. That's all for this short review of the Corsair ST100. If you guys enjoy watching this video, I would appreciate if you hit that like button, subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell. Thanks for watching.